What's up, YouTube? Been a minute. I had some kid sports going and started a new career, so while I was still getting ready for Christmas, I did take a break from making some videos. However, as many know in this hobby, Home Depot's came out with something that they haven't had before. The really big light bulb, 3-foot tall LED jumbo bulb. Of course, it takes D batteries, so I got 3 of them, and while they are pretty cool as is, I can't leave them that way. So I'm going to take the bulb off, take the LED out, and of course put some probably strand of 10 pixels or so, if I can grab some right here. These pixels, if you're not familiar with them, probably do a 1/2-inch PVC pipe in there, drill holes in it, put the pixels in. Like I said, about 10 of them. But what's really cool is how big these are, being 3 foot. In X-Lights, if you're not an X-Lights user, they have a candle effect, and so these will appear like giant glowing candles, or any other motion that I put in on them. So thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned while we take this apart and outfit it with pixels. Alright, so now that the bulb is off, I went ahead, and I'm not really sure if you can see down in, it's kind of dark down in there, but I took the LED guts that was about this level where this black piece is that I've screwed in now inside the bulb, and I left it wired. I just pushed it down so that way if I ever wanted to use them a different way I could. But all I did was I had this plastic pegboard that I wasn't using for metal hooks. I cut it to the size of the ledges just inside the bulb rim, screwed it down, and what I'll do is I'm going to take actually probably 5 or 6 instead of 10 pixels, and I'll just hot glue them facing up. I have the flat back ones, so I'll hot glue those across here facing up, and then I'll run the cable down and out the side or the back, and then when I screw the bulb on, 5 or 6 pixels will provide enough light, I'm pretty sure. But here's my hole in the back side where I'll run the cable out to go to the controller box. So let me get these pixels in there and hot glued on, and I'll come back and show. All right, so I have the wire in. I have the 6 pixels across on the ledge that I showed earlier, and right now they're on blue. I got a light on in here, so it's kind of hard to tell, but I will get the bulb screwed back on and get the lights out, and we'll see how well it glows. There it is in the blue state. So yeah, not too bad for 6 pixels. I could have probably went 10, maybe, like some I know have said they're doing, and I still may. I have 2 more to do, so I may put 8 or 10 and see what the difference is. But overall, yeah, I definitely glad that I got the bulbs, and then I switched them. So let's go through a couple of colors here. Yeah, green's a little wonky. Red's real good. And blue. So yeah, drop comments, questions. Please like and subscribe.